So it's January 1st, 2026. To be fair, most guys right now are hungover, scrolling on TikTok, making fake New Year's resolutions that will probably break within the next few days. They're gonna stay unfit. They're gonna stay having low amounts of money, addicted to corn, video games, and pretty much just having bad relationships all around them. But you're here watching this, and that means you're a bit different. Or at least you want to be. If you actually follow what I'm about to tell you, 2026 will be the year that you actually become better as a person. The year you build the body of someone that you would respect. Or a Greek god if you want to go that far. You know, get more money, fix your brain and actually start attracting people who are good for you. So, little backstory. I'm Jacob, 20 years old, and I turned my life around from what I was doing by doing pretty much the basics that 99% of guys my age don't really do. There's not really any excuses, no bullshit. I was a skinny kid, pretty much lost 2.5 years ago, so if I can do it, so can you. So stick around and I'm gonna give you the exact blueprint to make 2026 your best year. So first, let's just call it out. Most guys in their 20s are degenerates. You're probably one of them right now, or at least you're waking up a little bit to become better. Most guys our age are waking up late, jerking off, eating junk, and just procrastinating on your dreams. We're doing, yeah, I'll do it tomorrow, or you know, I need a break. Let me scroll one more video. Oh, it's fine, I'll just finish the season. Pretty much what every single guy sounds like nowadays. And well, newsflash, you can't be doing that shit. In 2025 was probably not a good year for you, especially if you're watching this and you want to have a better year. It pretty much just shows you 2025 was not a good year. 2025, you probably had the wrong mindset and just overall not the correct way of thinking to be able to get to a better place for yourself. So the truth is, making this your best year isn't some magical, you know, mindset hack or 90-day periodization or reading 100 flipping books on motivation. It's pretty much about doing the hard shit consistently when you don't want to do it. It's about being disciplined over motivated every single day, because otherwise you're not going to stick to it and you're not going to do it. So here's the no BS plan, the 4 pillars. Master these and in 2026 will be much better, and every year after that you'll be able to just increase it, be better and better and better. So number 1, fix your body. If you have a bad body, you're probably gonna feel a bit down, you know, low self-esteem, low confidence. So what I would say for that is just hit the gym. Go to the gym 4 or 5 times a week. If you can't, hit the gym twice a week. As long as you just go to the gym and show up every single day, you will be fine. And yes, rest days, you're supposed to have rest days. I don't really understand the whole point of when people tell you, oh yeah, go to the gym 6 times a week. How are you supposed to recover from 6 times a week from the gym? Please tell me, because I don't understand that. It's 4 to 5 times a week max, but at least try to do it 2 times a week. That's just the minimum. Make sure to eat clean, high protein, whole foods. Track your calories, especially if you're overweight. If you're skinny, you can get away with obviously, well, eating more, but you still need to track your calories just to make sure that you're actually eating enough. Because if you're not eating enough, then, well, you're not gonna get any muscle, are you? You could think you're eating a lot, but you could just be eating 2,000 calories when you need 2,500 calories, you know? It really depends. Sleep. Make sure to sleep 8 hours a day, every single day. Do not go below that. By all means, go 9 hours. 10 hours is a little bit pushing it if you're doing past that, mate. I think I'm sleeping a bit too long. But 8 to 10 hours, I would say, is the golden spot. And make sure to do cardio. Do not skip on cardio. I skipped on cardio the first year when I was working out, I can tell you. It did not help me. Especially because I went for a dirty bulk. So, I know from experience, do your cardio at least 2 to 3 times a week. It's not much, just walk. Second thing, fix your brain. Just kill your addictions. If you have a problem with video games, with corn, anything like that, obviously don't go like cold turkey straight away. Try to go days, try to go like a few hours, then maybe a day, then maybe a few days, then maybe a week without it. Try to increase your resistance to wanting to do it, and that's how you'll be able to just properly get rid of the addiction, and just make sure to build that discipline to be able to do it over and over again. So what I've been doing for the past 2-3 months, quite consistently actually, was daily meditations. So pretty much just meditate. You can meditate for like 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10, 20, 30. Do it for as long as you want, but just make sure to increase that time as the months go on, to be able to like just test yourself. It helps you clear your mind, it helps you focus. It's just a good way to really be able to be present in the moment. One thing I've also done which is amazing to do is just journaling. Journal every single night, every single day. What did you do well? What did you want to improve? Anything that you want to put your gratitude towards you. Just be honest. Don't be like, oh well, I'm happy because I've got a PC. No. Tell me something that you're actually happy about. You know, something that you're actually grateful for. So another thing is you want to fix your productivity and your skills as well. Well, you see, uni is fine. It's good. It's a good way to get into the corporate world. If you want to get into a certain job or a certain profession, by all means, go to uni. But there's a lot of people nowadays who are like, don't go to uni, don't go to uni. So go to uni, learn some skills, learn what you do, what you want to do with your life. Because I feel like when you go there, it helps you kind of be able to understand who you are as a person, and it just helps you grow, you know, helps you evolve a little bit. In terms of books, I would say probably read at least one book a month. It doesn't have to be big. It can literally be this big, or it can be this big if you're feeling brave enough. But just read a little bit more, and just start something. Whether it's an Instagram page, TikTok, YouTube, or whether you just want to do some freelancing, anything that you want to, just start something this year. Start something to be able to make money online, so that you're not bound to the original 9 to 5. Obviously, if a 9 to 5 is what you want to do, if that's the profession you want to go down, by all means, focus on that. But if you don't want to do a 9 to 5, make sure to focus on your skills that you're able to use in all platforms, and you're able to expand to different ones. Lastly but surely, fixing your relationships. So, little backstory, when I was 15 to 17ish, somewhere around that time, was in a toxic relationship. Was not good for me whatsoever. And the one thing that I can tell you right now is you just gotta focus on yourself. Focus on you first. Focus on your body, your discipline. Focus on knowing what your purpose is, what you want to do with life. And with that, as you build that and as you build yourself as a person, people will come to you naturally who are good for you. People who are attracted by the good energy that you bring out and that you give to other people, they will be attracted to that. Which is why you just gotta make yourself better. You just gotta improve every single day, even if it's small things. And just learn some basics. Learn how to approach people, how to talk openly, how to just be yourself around every single person, and just how to be able to just be happy within certain settings. And obviously, if you're with a friendship group or with a partner that has low values, it just drags you down, just ditch them. Trust me, you will be doing yourself a favour just to be getting rid of them. It will not help you to stay with them. Trust me, it won't. But yeah, to tie it all together, this is what I followed starting late post-breakup. Trust me, this is no overnight fix. You have to be doing this consistently to be able to transform yourself. Now, this isn't some sort of crazy, oh my god, this is gonna fix your whole entire life. No, this is just a little simple things that you can do to help to achieve a better you. And yeah, this is your year to decide, pretty much. Do you want to make excuses, or do you want to actually start today? Just go to the gym, delete any apps that you don't need, plan your weeks, journal, meditate, eat good, work out, do your cardio, please. And if you're serious, it will work out in the end, trust me. I will be making more videos, sort of more based particularly on each subject, so physique, mindset, relationships, and just in general your health. I will be making individual videos for that. This is just an overall little plan, just for you to be able to just be a bit better. But yeah, if you're serious about this, comment below. I'm doing this in 2026. Share any other goal, even if it's small or big. Share in the comments. But yeah, guys, hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe for weekly video videos. I try to be doing at least one video a week. And yeah, you've got one life, so don't waste it. See you in the next one.